This is just a quick video to show you what's on this synth here, the SoundLab Plus. First, the case is real solid oak. The faceplate, 1/8 inch aluminum. As you can see, I kind of went a little bit different route than what the website Music from Outer Space shows. I actually made it patchable. Gives you a few more options. The big reason I want to make it patchable is because you can use control voltages for your everything, and I use a PIA, I believe that's how you pronounce it, MIDI to CV converter, and you can control your filter and amplifier whatnot from MIDI, as well as pitch and amongst other things. Anyhow, just a real quick overview of what it is. You got oscillator 1, oscillator 2, two oscillators on this thing. First oscillator does sawtooth, second oscillator does sawtooth and square wave, and you can pulse width the square wave. Turn that one up. There's oscillator 1, oscillator 2. Bring in tune. You got coarse tune, fine tune on this thing. I don't know, maybe it's probably loud enough, I think. And turn those off. This is the mixer, by the way. You can turn oscillator 1 and oscillator 2 up independently, however loud you want each one. White noise. There's a external line in here that you can control. There's a line in on the jack panel over there. You just put whatever you want line in, and you can use these the filter and amplifier and stuff to affect sounds from your line in if you choose to do that. It's got a filter, resonance, high pass, low pass, amplifier, envelope generator, sample and hold circuit on this one. Low frequency oscillator 1, I put additional low frequency oscillator on this one because I want to be able to control the pulse width modulation of oscillator 2 separately. We'll turn that on. As you can hear right now, that's pulse width modulation. Speed it up whatnot. You can turn off the pulse width modulation if you want by turning your amount to 0, or if you want these jacks. Turn this down. These jacks this is normalized. Some of the like pulse width modulation jack right here. If you plug a jack into that, you're going to disable the low frequency oscillator from modulating the pulse width modulation. The filter is also connected to the envelope generator, and if you plug in a jack to your control voltage jack there for your filter, it's going to disable the envelope generator on that, and you can control it with something else if you choose. Voltage control amplifier, this little switch right here, you can either have it controlled by the envelope generator, centers off, or I added a little gated function. So basically the gate is just a few it's kind of like an organ. When you push a key or push the trigger, it comes on. When you let go of the trigger, instantly kicks off. Let's see if I can show you that real quick. There, you can hear it's kind of just on and off instantly. It's the same as if you have your envelope attack and release all the way off. Anyhow, and sample and hold circuit, let me show you that real quick. I'm just gonna put it on the pitch of number 1 here. Let's turn it just up. Now you can hear it's already on right now. Sample and hold, the sample's already coming from the noise generator. If you want, you can plug in. If you want, you can plug a low frequency oscillator into the sampling of the sample and hold if you want, and instead of getting it from the noise, you'll get it from the low frequency oscillator, or you can take it from the envelope generator if you choose, or you can take it from an outside signal. Anyhow, let's go back to this. Turn this back up. Speed it up. Slow it down. Come on all the way. This has a slide glide control. You hear it's gliding from change to change. Let's turn that back off. Low frequency oscillator, we'll go ahead and just plug this in. It's quite simple. Speed it up. That's triangle, wave, square wave. Ooh, that's nice and loud. High pitched. Go back. There's sawtooth. Ramp. And that's low frequency oscillator 1. Low frequency oscillator 2 has all the same functions on it. Filter, drop the cut, turn the resonance up on it. They'll get squealy if you turn that filter up, resonance all the way up. Turn it all the way up, a little bit out of squeal. And that's pretty much about it. All the rest you can just see by looking at the pictures. It's all pretty much self-explanatory if you know a little bit about synthesizers. Again, just in case you don't know, the signal path in here, everything's complete analog. No digital, all analog. Also, as you can probably see little lights on low-frequency oscillators, I add the LEDs there. That way you can kind of visually see the speed of them before you start doing things, plug them in and whatnot. Let's see, just trying to think if there's anything else. Nope, that's probably about it. So anyways, happy bidding. Thanks for looking.